Now that the model has been created, you need to select a baseline period. This period may be defined by internal policies or program requirements, or you may have some flexibility in choosing an appropriate baseline period that suits your needs. In either situation, this is a good time to take a look at the end-to-end CUSUM. To do this, leave the baseline period covering all of the available data. This is the default when you first create the model. And click the Cumulative SUM button under Step 4, Comparison. When looking at the end-to-end CUSUM, periods with a straight line represent periods of consistent energy consumption, while inflection points are times when the slope changes, indicate times when the energy intensity changed. Generally, periods with consistent energy use, the straight lines, make for better baseline periods and can provide some guidance in selecting the right period, but it still needs to serve the purpose you need. Some key considerations to remember when selecting a baseline period include that the baseline period should cover a full operation cycle. If your facility is weather dependent, this means 12 months or some multiple of 12 months. The baseline period should end immediately preceding or as close as possible to the change you would like to quantify the impact of. And facility operations, other than those captured through independent variables, should be consistent between the baseline and reporting period. If there have been significant changes within the facility, a non-routine baseline adjustment may be required. To change the baseline period, select the regression option for your model, and you can change the begin date and the duration of your model using the dialog boxes to here. At this point, you should have a preliminary facility baseline model with the baseline period selected. The next step will be evaluating your model using statistical indicators.